Okay, we're at the proving stage and we've got our trailing edge repair made. We've got our lacquer finish put on it. Let's spin this baby up and see if everything holds tight, stays put. Okay. Let's have a look at that trailing edge. Everything still look good.
Looks good.
Awesome. Well, there you have it, folks. A repair that seems to have worked real good, and we've returned the propeller to its maximum output. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is PPG Pooh Bear and String Life, baby.